G'day guys, well today we're doing a review and installation of a brand new bracket from Out There and Back for Ford Ranger PX2 and PX3. Now as you can probably see on the right hand side of the screen, we've got a bracket to the right hand side of the steering wheel. Now this bracket has probably been asked about the most since the release of the other brackets that Steve's produced. Now let's not waste any more time, let's just jump straight in because this is an easy install.
Cool.
So one of the first things we need to do is actually remove the grab handle, because the actual bracket sits between this part of the trim and the actual handle. Now what you can do is just grab yourself a little flat bladed screwdriver like so, and then just on the side, just poke that sort of into the side. It is quite flexible, it is quite a soft sort of plastic. Sort of just pop that to the side, and then do the same thing for the bottom. So pop that out. And then what you want to do is grab yourself a 6mm socket, and there's a bolt in here, and we're just going to undo that. Top and bottom. Once it starts actually undoing, it's quite it's easy to do just by hand. So once that's undone tight, we just loosen that, and then you can see, and that's the actual bolt. It's sort of self. It's like a I don't know, bit of an unusual sort of shape. So just pop that to the side, then we just remove the top one as well. Once that's removed, just pop those to the side. We want to take our bracket. Now our bracket actually assembles on the actual A-pillar like this, and there's actual specific notch, and you can see on the bottom of the actual handle itself where that notch sort of lines up. Sort of just poke that in like so, just manipulates, and you can see it's the perfect sort of shape. And then what we need to do is then just put that back into sort of position, grab our little bolt, and then just get that started. And what we might need to do is just put it on the end, and then get that going like so. Get that started, and then we'll go grab the other one, stick that in. So the one thing I love about these Out There and Back brackets is that they're so simple and easy to fit. Like this literally will take, you know, what, 5 minutes sort of in total. So once that's sort of starting to nip up by hand, grab our socket, and we just want to tension it up. It doesn't need to be overly tight, just sort of snug, top and bottom one. Once that's tight, then we just grab these. Now there's a little indent, I don't know if you can sort of see that on camera. Now there's a little indent on the actual handle itself, and what that does is goes in first, and then you sort of push it down, give it a bit of a wiggle, then it sits nice and flat, and then do the same thing with the other one. Once that's in, job done. Now all we need to do now is just fit the either the UHF mount that we're going to use, or in my case I'm actually going to be fitting the quad lock, so we're going to do that now. Alright guys, well there's the Out There and Back UHF or mobile phone mount all installed. Look, what took a total of 5 minutes in sort of total. Exactly the same as the other mounts that are Out There and Back previously. So now these mounts retail for about $65.99, and they're made out of stainless steel, and they're also powder coated, so they're very good quality and they're going to be super durable. Also, they're manufactured here in Australia, which, you know, if you've been following my channel for some time, I love supporting Australian-made businesses. I love keeping the jobs here and supporting the local guys. Now the mount itself, it's super sturdy. Look, it's going to flex a little bit, especially when you sort of go over a few bumps and stuff, but that's not going to really sort of going to bother me. Personally, I like having my devices nice and close to me on either side of the steering wheel. My mobile phone here and my UHF. Previously I had the UHF mounted over on the left hand side here next to the screen, and I just found that a little bit too far to sort of grasp when I'm sort of, you know, wanting to use it. I had to sort of, you know, get my back out of the seat to grab it, whereas being there I can easily grab it super easy. Now look, as I said, these are $65.99. If you want the magnetic mount, he does sell them as well. And look, personally, grab one of these. They are, I think, amazing. You don't have to hook on your UHF or anything like that anymore. It's just simply magnetically clips on, and I've never had it bounce off, you know, either over rough terrain or corrugations. It's been absolutely amazing. Anyway guys, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get your own. This is for PX2 and PX3 Ford Ranger, and also he's got a mount there for the brand new next gen Ranger, which I think is absolutely amazing. To come on so quick, to get a bracket out is absolutely amazing. Anyway guys, if you've got any questions or comments, drop them down below, and until next time, I'll catch you around. Cheers.